Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by cutting power and confirming the light is dead. This prevents shocks. Once done, position a stable ladder so you can reach the trim comfortably and put on gloves to protect the bulb and your hands. Next, use your non-contact tester to double-check the circuit. Make sure the fixture is cold to the touch. Then, locate the trim clips or screws holding the spotlight. Gently depress or unscrew them to start releasing the bulb and housing. You now focus on the middle steps, how to free the bulb without damaging the fixture. First, identify the retention. Spring clips require gentle inward pressure, torsion springs twist out, and screws back off. Support the trim with one hand so it doesn't drop, and with the other either squeeze the clips or loosen the screws. Once the trim drops slightly, tilt the housing to access the bulb. Make sure to cradle the bulb and avoid pulling the socket, because you complete the task by removing the bulb correctly, grip the base, not the glass, and either twist counterclockwise for threaded bulbs or pull straight for push-fit types. If it's stuck, wiggle gently while supporting the socket. Once removed, inspect the socket and wiring for heat damage. Replace any charred parts before reinstalling. Reassemble trim in reverse order, secure clips or screws, then restore power and test. If the bulb won't come out, stop. Try penetrating oil, or consult.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.